Hey everyone, it's your tech buddy Home Prologues back with another cool app review. Today I'm diving into the world of call ID announcers. You know, those handy apps that speak out the name of the person's calling you, so you don't have to squint at your phone screen. I'm talking about this little app called Phone by Google. It's available on the Google Play Store, and it's lifesaver, especially for those of us who are always on the go or have a trouble hearing the phone in noisy places. Since this Phone by Google app is a Google owned app, you don't have to worry about its trustworthiness. Now I'm going to talk about what are the benefits of using Phone by Google app. Hereafter, no more straining to know who is calling. This app uses a high quality voice synthesizer to announce the call ID loud and clear, even in the loudest environments. If you don't like the default voice, no worries. You can personalize the announcement to your liking by adjusting the volume, pitch, and speed. One of the best thing I can say is this app is all about convenience. It's automatically announces the call ID as soon as the call comes in. So you can keep your hands free and your focus on whatever you are doing. Unlike some bulky apps that hog your battery and drain your resources, this app is a lightweight champ. It runs smoothly without affecting your phone's performance. As I said, this app frees up your hands and eliminates the need to look at your phone, prompting safely while driving or in busy situations. Let me show you how easy it is to use this app. First, download it from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open it and grant it necessary permissions. First thing you have to do is make this app as the default phone app. Then tap the three dots in the top right hand corner of your phone screen. Now select settings and then scroll down the menu until you find call ID announcement. In the call ID announcement settings, set the option to always to enable call ID announcement for all incoming calls. That's all. Now I'll test whether it's working. I'll use this phone and one of my other phones to make a call and see if the call ID announcement features works correctly. Now I will make a call to my other phone that has the Phone by Google application installed.
Incoming voice call from Aya on SIM2. Incoming voice call from Aya on SIM2.
Fantastic! It's working well and it will be very useful for identify callers without looking at the phone. This will also be helpful while driving also. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you are interested in trying out this Phone by Google app, I encourage you to download it from the Google Play Store. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and apps reviews. Thank you and have a good day.